Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I hope you guys are preparing for upcoming first year and second year exams. Please watch the video till the end to know how to pass in Jntuh exams. So we are here with the video that would help you in writing upcoming exams. So people are new, they don't know how to write the exams. So just a little tips and tricks from our side. Also please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So this will help us grow. So right, coming to the topic, the very first point to remember is to write what you know. Whichever answer you are perfect, write it at very first. For example, there are 10 questions and you know the question 5th unit, the question from unit 5th, you know very well. So write it first. That will create a little bit of impression in front of evaluator. Once the impression is created, you will get best marks for the first answer itself, and that would make the paper look very easy and you will be getting more and more marks after that, whatever you write next. So the second thing, also writing the first answer is important, and also always maintain a good handwriting. Maintaining good handwriting is also a very important aspect. It plays an important role. Better the handwriting, it will be easy for the evaluator to understand the answer and award marks. For girls it would be easy, I know, but for boys it would be difficult. So boys, please concentrate on your writing. So once you write it in a better way, in a presentable manner, then you will get more and more marks. No matter what you write, how you write, that you need to present the answer in a good way. So the third point is always write in points manner. So if you are writing a theory exam which is understandable, like physics, chemistry or whatever the theory exams you have, do not simply fill the papers. I mean, going on writing the answer would create a messy look. So what you have to do, write the answer in a point wise so that it looks neat. Write the subheadings of each answer with black pen and remaining with the blue pen, highlighting the everything. Do not use gel pens while writing the exam. If you are using the gel pens, so that will reflect the ink and it will look, your handwriting will look really bad. So follow this. Always write the exam in point wise manner. Answers, write, preferably you write, if you cannot write it, then write it in a paragraph manner. After completing a paragraph, leave 2 lines, write from the second paragraph, right? So part A and part B. So next portion is part A and part B. So as of now, the exam pattern consists of part A and part B. Most of the people focus on part B and leave the part A because there are not much marks. They are short answers. You will not get so many marks for that. So I would suggest concentrate on part A as well, because doing so, it will give you some marks. For example, if you are attempting all the 10, let's say for R22, each question carries 1 marks from the part 1 and you are attempting all the 10 answers without bothering of answer is right or wrong or something else. So if you attempt the part A, then there is a chance of getting minimum of 5 marks, which will be very helpful. I am telling you this by my personal experience. Always write part A. So whatever the thing it is, you might be good at part B, fine, but also concentrate on part A as well. This will help you more and more. While preparing, also prepare from short answers. That will be helpful. And the most important thing is, right now, writing the exams, everyone forget, is margins. Yes, margins is also very important. Drawing margins will help you getting more marks. Draw a box shaped double margins to all corners as shown in the image. Look at the image, you have a box shape. I know there will be margins, there will be everything, but even though if there are the printed margins, you draw with your pencil. So that will define your effort. That will make the examinator, the evaluator understand that you are also struggling to write good and presenting your answers. So also remember, do not write the answer number on the left side of the margin. Always mention the answer number on the right side as shown in the image, where you can see how I wrote the question number 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So you have to write on the right side so that it would be visible. So once if the answer number or question number is not visible, then marks will not be awarded. After completion of every answer, draw a double margin horizontally so that the evaluator will understand that you have completed the answer and you have started the next answer. Otherwise, if you carry on writing without drawing a margin in between both the answers, then that would create a trouble and you will lose the marks. So the next point is, you have to remember, if the paper is hard, correction will be easy. This is my personal experience, I have written many exams like this. Always remember, if the question paper is hard, the correction will be easy. Do not leave the exam hall early. Write something or other related to the question. If there is something, for example, if there is a microprocessor, if there is something related to program or something related to any other topic, just write whatever you know. Even if you are attempting something, you will get some marks. Something is better than nothing. So that is why do not leave. We will see the students leaving the question exam hall early without writing anything, without attempting anything. Don't do that. So question, whether it is right or wrong, there is high chance of getting passed. So you'll get some marks for some or other. And some minor details you should remember is always practice the previous question papers. For R22, I can suggest the practice papers, for R18, the previous question papers of R18, you can collect those and practice that, so that you can have a good knowledge on the how questions are going to be framed, and this will have more impact on your preparation. For problematic subject like M1 and some other subjects, learn the formula and always write the given data, which will give at least 1 or 2 marks in the worst scenario. At least you will get some marks. Also, if you want notes, you can just open examupdt.in for notes of various subjects. For people who just prepare for 1 day before the exam, there are some people who prepare just 1 day before the exam, then you can refer to SIA all-in-one. That will help you in getting passed. So always remember, do not fill the 32 papers of your answer sheet, and do not write extra answers. That will create real mess, and there is a chance that you might fail or you might lose the marks. Do not do this. Many students write the extra answers and fill all the 32 papers of the answer booklet. So do not do that. The ideal scenario would be write something around 23 to 27 pages, or else from 22 to 27 pages. That would be more than enough. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like the information. If I have missed anything, then let me know in the comment box. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep sharing, keep loving, and keep subscribing. Bye bye.